Chapter 2, Section 4, Representing Data. Okay, objectives for this section. Create graphics to reveal patterns in data and interpret the graphs. Reviewing vocabulary, independent variable, the variable that is changed during an experiment. New vocabulary, graph. The main idea for this section, graphs visually depict data, making it easier to see patterns and trends. A graph is a visual display of data that makes trends easier to see than in a data table. So you can see here, this is your data table, and they have put it in a graph, and it is much easier to analyze what is going on. Okay, a circle graph or a pie chart has wedges that visually represent percentages of a fixed whole, so it is out of 100%. Bar graphs are often used to show how quantities vary across categories. Line graphs usually are over time, so if you're taking data over time, that's when you use a line graph. The independent variable goes on the x-axis, and the dependent variable goes on the y-axis. You can see two examples here. If a line through the points is straight, it is considered linear, and then you can calculate the slope of that line, the rise over the run, or the change in y over the change in x. Interpolation is reading and estimating values that fall between the points on the graph. Extrapolation is estimating values outside the points and extending the line. Okay, in this graph it shows the importance of ozone measurement to help the viewers realizing the trends over time. So notice again, over time. So this is a line graph. Okay, blank variables are plotted on the blank axis in a line graph. What kind of graph shows the quantities that vary across categories?